Hi again! We're back with another unboxing video today, so welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're the Adorkables. I'm Kira.
I'm Keke.
And like I said, we've got an unboxing and unbagging to do for you today. We just posted up a video of our Downtown Disney Boxlunch and Spirit Halloween haul. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. I'll try and link it above. I'm still learning YouTube, so bear with me on that one. We got a lot of pins for you today to unbox. Evelyn has already unboxed hers, so we'll show you hers real quick. She doesn't like to be on camera, so we allow her to open hers before we film. She had a Nightmare Before Christmas keychain. She got 0.
Looks weird.
They think he looks weird with his little smile. I don't know if I'd be able to get it to focus on his, if you see his little smile there. Keep out of the picture. But it's because he doesn't have his normal pointed nose. They rounded it out, so it makes him look like he's just got a little chubby face. But he's still got the little pumpkin for a nose.
That's a smiley face.
Okay. Is that not what a jack-o'-lantern is?
No.
And then the horror movies package that she got that you saw in the last video.
She actually got a mystery one the first time.
She got a mystery one, and I was right. It is a Beetlejuice one. So she was really excited to see that one. And then she's got
The doors.
the collection of the Monster Inc. doors. You can get Fantasia Mickey. There's a Minnie Mouse, Donald, Goofy, Cheshire Cat. And then I believe that is a Stitch one. It's a surfboard. She got the Cheshire Cat last time. And this time she got Donald Duck.
To me, he doesn't really look like Donald Duck.
It's his colors.
He's a duck.
And then her 2 Loungefly. She had Mulan. And then the Pixar bows. For her Mulan one, you could have gotten Mushu, little brother, Mulan surrounded by the flowers, her comb,
Her fighting.
her and her horse. There were good selection there. She actually got her friends, Mulan's friends. So you've got Ping, Po, and Yao. I really like that one. It's a good quality too. Yao's even got his black eye.
You didn't know that?
No, I didn't really see it yesterday. And then for the, I didn't know she got the chase on this one. For the Pixar bows, you've got, it looks like Wally. And then you got Jessie.
No, that's not Jessie.
That's got to be Jessie with the cow print.
That's not Jessie.
Woody, Jessie.
I think it might be Jessie. I don't know.
Nemo. And then you got Russell from Up. You got the Incredibles symbol. Mike Wazowski, Bo Peep. Heimlich from A Bug's Life. You've got Ratatouille. And then you've got the Luxo ball for Pixar as the chase. That's actually what she got. It's nice and glittery. We've got 2 more of these boxes here that we'll unbox here in a minute. She actually wants to trade if I get Russell or Wally or Mike Wazowski.
Didn't you want Russell?
I do want a Russell, but I've got other ones that I want instead. She also got some more 2020 ones. She was trying for Pooh Bear in her first box. This is a duplicate I got Jack last time in our last video, which I will again link below and hopefully above. But she did end up getting the Winnie the Pooh. And of course, they've got the Mickey ear waffling on the back. She wants to keep that Jack though, because she didn't get Jack last time. Didn't she get some Sebastian last time? I don't know. And she's giggling because she got Jack,
And another Jack.
and Jack. And we got a lot of Jacks. Also both duplicates again. She had Jack Skellington last time we unboxed these. So if anyone would like to do a trade, we're still looking for Brer Rabbit, Chip, and Simba. I believe we have Mushu, don't we?
Yeah.
She got Mushu last time. And I think I got Sebastian. So, yeah, just comment down below if you'd like to do a trade. We'd love to get in on some pin trading, some Disney box exchanges, anything like that with our fellow Disney YouTubers. Current moods. We got Sebastian, Cheshire Cat, Pumbaa, Thumper, Tiana and Naveen, Hercules and Phil, Stitch, Abu, the Queen of Hearts, and Jiminy Cricket.
I said Stitch and I said it again.
Yeah, I said it again. Because you went out of order.
It doesn't have to be in order.
So she got the Cheshire Cat. Crazy. His eyes are rolling. We're all mad here. And she got Sebastian. For her Star Wars ships. Of course, you got the Rebel ships. And then the dark side.
I wish it was even.
I wish it was even too, but she ended up giving both Rebel ships. Not 100% sure which one this is. I'm sorry. I thought it was a cruiser, but it's from the top view, so it's kind of hard to tell. And then she got an X-Wing fighter. And her Disney Streets. She did end up getting another duplicate on this one. So you can get Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald, Pluto, Goofy, Chip, and Dale. We got Chip through a trade before, and then she had Mickey and Minnie in her last box. She did end up getting the Mickey one as a duplicate. So if anybody wants to trade for a Disney, Streets, Donald, Daisy, Pluto,
Wait, didn't you get them? Oh, no.
she got Goofy. So we don't need that one.
Yeah.
She really was excited for Goofy. That's all of Evelyn's pins. So now it's our turn.
Let's open these first.
My Hocus Pocus keychains. You want to open one?
Yeah. But it's yours, so you get to keep it.
Yeah, these are mine.
I saw what you got.
I saw what I got too.
Didn't you get any of the...
So you can get Winifred, Sarah, Mary, Danny is the witch. You can get Billy, Dave, the dad, as the vampire, the master's wife, the devil, or the master, Binks, and then 2 mystery ones.
I want this one.
No, these are mine. And my very first one, I got Sarah. Sarah Sanderson.
I want this one so badly.
These are mine.
But I wanted it, Billy.
Yay! He matches my pin. Or my button. Sorry, my button. I got this button. from Spirit Halloween 2. I love Billy. And now we got a Billy. After he cuts his mouth open. He's good too. He's got a lot of detail in him. His little shirt, the wrinkles, his stitches, his little ponytail. No, those are mine. No, mine? You got the scissors?
Oh. He's opening again.
So she's opening up backpacks. And the one she didn't want last time was Grumpy, and she got Grumpy. So on these ones, you can get Donald, Marie, Grumpy, Ursula, Stitch, and Baymax. She really wanted Stitch and Baymax. And Ursula is her favorite female villain, so hopefully it kind of looks like she got one.
I got Ursula!
You got Ursula! Just in time for Halloween.
Yeah.
You can hold on to your pins.
I don't know where to put it. There.
All right, and then I got the skates. I used to work at a skating rink. I skated a lot when I was younger, so I really do like to skate. I got Tinkerbell last time, and that's the one I didn't want. But you can also get Snow White, Pinocchio, the White Rabbit, Hades, and Jack. I really want the Hades, Pinocchio, and the White Rabbits. Oh, I got Snow White, though. It's a good one. It's pretty. It's got her little apple on there. Beautiful colors. All right. What you got next? Do you need this? Okay. 2 and 2. 2 and 2. We don't need this yet then. We'll put them back here. Which ones are you opening? You're opening mine. What?
You got dresses, you got clothes, I got a new one.
These are all mine though. For my collection.
I want to borrow those.
Huh?
I want to borrow them.
You want a bow? Well, let's see what we got. We're opening bows first?
This is so cute.
I don't think so. I think Loungefly, yeah. See, they got the little nick in them already.
Okay.
So they're really easy to... Of course, you can't feel these because they're all in the shape of bows.
I want this one.
So again, for the bows, you can get Wally. I think it's Jessie. She says Woody. If you know, let us know in the comments down below. Nemo, Mike Wazowski, The Incredibles, Russell, Ratatouille, Heimlich, Bo Peep, and the Luxo Ball, which Evelyn got the Luxo Ball. I'm really hoping for Ratatouille or Heimlich are my top picks, but all of them are cute. So,
I want this one.
what's this one?
It's Bo Peep.
Oh, Bo Peep. Oh, and it's got her sheep in the middle and her staff. That's so pretty.
I love Bo Peep.
You like? Okay, you can have Bo Peep. Let's see. Oh, I got Nemo. It's even got his little,
Look at big fin and small
his
fin.
handicap fin there. And the blue is, it looks like waves.
I'm sorry, I have to stuck in my head.
She thinks she's Perry the Platypus. So next we've got the wedding dresses from Loungefly. Looks like Ariel, Rapunzel.
Didn't you want Tiana?
I'm going to say Aurora, Tiana, Cinderella, and Mulan.
What's that one?
I think that's Ariel's.
Oh, that's Cinderella. Okay.
Cinderella.
I thought that one was
And then
Cinderella.
Rapunzel. I'm pretty sure that one is Aurora. It looks like the style of Aurora's long sleeve dress.
Yeah. I already opened mine.
Okay, what'd you get? Show it.
Oh, I put it up yours.
Go ahead, show it.
Open it.
Oh. Got Rapunzel and Ariel. And they are sparkly like I was hoping. I'm not sure if it'll catch it. You can see it in the pink. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a little bit of sparkle. Tiana's was my favorite. That one looks absolutely beautiful, so I will probably try for that again. But Rapunzel and Ariel's are beautiful as well.
This one is really pretty.
It's a good size, too. It's definitely a lot larger than Rapunzel's dress there. All right, what do we got next? All right, It's a Small World. We got all the different countries there. Last time I got Spain. What was my other one I got last time?
You got Mexico.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, Mexico. It said adios. There's two adioses. I got the one with the penguin. And then, oh, I got aloha, which I don't even see on here. Oh, there it is. Top one. So aloha, Hawaii. And then this one for Mexico. My zodiac signs. Hopefully we'll get Tigger for the year of the tiger, and Chicken Little for the year of the rooster. It's supposed to be a rooster. It's stuck on the bag. It's pretty large. Oh, I got the hippo. Selene Calais. I probably really butchered that. I'm sorry. And, oh, I got another Hawaii. I got a duplicate.
Oh my god.
Aloha. What'd you get?
Okay, so.
What did we get? You're the sheep. At least it's not a duplicate.
Yeah.
Last time I got the dog.
And Piglet.
And Piglet, the year of the pig. Oh, you're the horse. That is Prince Philip's horse, I believe.
It's the face.
Well, we're closer to completing our circle. Park Pals. We got two of these because we're trying really hard. We got Stitch, Pascal, the Cheshire Cat, and Simba last time. So we still need Mickey, Minnie, and Brer Rabbit and Winnie the Pooh.
I want Winnie the Pooh.
And I want Brer Rabbit. So, good vibes, pixie dust, magic.
Ah, it's a duplicate.
Oh, that's a cute duplicate. That'll make a good trader, though. Everybody loves little Pascal. Look at him holding on to his little tangled tower.
Hi.
I did not
It's
get
another duplicate.
Oh, I did not get a duplicate. We got a Mickey holding on to the castle tower. What'd you get for a duplicate? Oh, that's... Everybody loves this one, too. Good trader. Stitch with his rocket ship. Let's see what my last one is. No duplicate. No duplicate. No duplicate.
Come on.
Yes!
Did you get a rabbit?
I got Brer Rabbit! Look at him. He's so cute. Holding on to the thorn bush. So now all we need, she really wants Pooh Bear. So if anybody has Pooh Bear and wants a Pascal or a Stitch, we're more than happy to trade. And a Minnie. Don't play with the scissors.
Not.
All right. All we have left is our bags.
Yeah.
No more boxes?
No.
All right, let's get rid of that.
I saved the bag.
Nope, I get to open these two
Why?
because these two are mine. You
These
get to
two
open
are-
those two.
Yeah, these two are mine. So you get those two, I get these two.
That's what I
So
said.
So no purses. No purses. For you.
All right. So we got, each of these bags comes with 5 pins. Got the Wishables, Good versus Evil, Disney handbags,
And
ice cream bars, popsicles, whatever you want to call them. Same thing to
I'll
me.
be happy with any of them.
So, you know what?
Who's
You want me
that?
to start? Goofy.
Okay.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go with the Good versus Evil first. And on these ones, they're kind of small. You might not be able to see them very well. But they also do come in pairs, just like the Wishables. You got Maleficent with Prince Philip, Hades and Hercules. And then you've got Scar and Simba, Ursula and... No, that's Simba. Ursula and Prince Eric, Madame Mim and Merlin, Oogie Boogie and Jack, Pongo and Purdy and Cruella, and then you got Basil and Professor Ratigan. I really, really, really want Madame Mim and Ratigan.
I want those two or those two.
Nightmare Before Christmas or Sword in the Stone.
Yeah.
Hades looks really cool too. Pretty much any of the villains I would be happy with, but Ratigan and Madame Mim, you don't really find a lot of merchandise of them, especially Professor Ratigan. You don't find a lot of great mouse detective stuff, period. So I think that would be awesome.
Yeah, I was going to say, move on.
I see the top one. I peeked. I shouldn't have peeked. I won't peek anymore. But I'm so happy I got Madame Mim. There's a new Jim Shore of her out, and I want it so bad.
Okay, pick another one.
Just gonna make sure I don't look.
What'd you get?
It's not Ratigan, but it's still Basil of Baker Street. With this magnifying glass. Great mouse detective. I am 100% happy so far. I got Merlin.
And of course you got the set I wanted.
So I accidentally grabbed this pack. I did not mean to. I thought I had put it back on the shelf, but I guess not. And I'm very happy now that I did not accidentally put it back.
Yo!
Oh, I got Jack!
Yo!
So that means they usually come in pairs with a fifth one and extra. So I either probably got Oogie Boogie or I got Professor Ratigan. Either way, I'd be perfectly fine with both of those. So, Keke, what'd I get?
That's Scar.
Oh, there goes my theory of they all come in pairs. That's okay, Scar's awesome too. Nice green eyes. Okay, I'm good with those. Those are good. Okay,
The Maleficent one's cool. It's her in her dragon form.
in her dragon form, yeah, you don't really see that too often.
You did. Again.
No, it's your turn.
No.
Yeah.
You, I don't know.
Ice creams first.
This one's gonna be a video just like you. I can peek.
So these are the ice cream bars. Why don't you cut off some of it there? But you can get Tinkerbell, the Cheshire Cat, Goofy, Heimlich, Donald Duck, Sully, Jack Skellington, Pluto, Minnie Mouse, Marie, Lilo, Baymax, Flounder, Tigger, Mickey, and it looks like Pongo. No. Yeah, Pongo. Pongo wears the red.
Which one? I got Lilo! Yeah!
So you can show them.
So it's basically the design of her dress. And the stick at the bottom.
Can't see any. They're all facing down. Oh.
I got Tinkerbell too.
Tinkerbell. You gonna show it?
Oh.
Got her little hair design and her wings.
And then put it for a costume. You know you're playing it down. Yeah, I'm gonna have
You can't see into it still though. Donald Duck.
it.
His cute little red bow. Evelyn's gonna be jealous.
The
Cheshire Cat. Evelyn's obsessed with Alice in Wonderland.
Okay, last one.
Last one.
The big Pongo one.
Pongo!
I am happy with my head. I'm especially happy with the first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
Lilo.
Yeah.
Where do scissors go?
Well,
Alright, last bag. I got the Wishables. And like we were saying in our last video for our haul, a lot of people say that these are pretty hard to find in the parks, but yesterday they were pretty well stocked in the pin trading store and in World of Disney. So hopefully some people got those. You gonna hold it for me? Oh, hold on. Should probably show you guys, huh? So these ones again come in pairs. You've got Buzz with the alien, Winnie the Pooh and Tigger, Ariel and Flounder. You got Jack Sparrow with a skeleton from Pirates of the Caribbean. You have Nemo and Dory, Brer Fox and Brer Rabbit, Olaf, Sven.
if you get Sven, it's mine.
Yeah. The Hatbox Ghost and Constance from Haunted Mansion. These ones I would probably be happy with any of them.
If Sven, it's mine.
I would really like the Brer Fox and Brer Rabbit though, so we'll see. Oh, you don't have to do it with these ones. These all come in blind bags.
Can I open something? I open two, you open one.
Then I get to open two of yours.
What?
The purses?
Yeah.
If you open some of mine, I open some of yours. Who'd I get? Oh, Pooh Bear! Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Oh, and they got stars in their eyes.
Wait, let me see. I never saw that.
You gonna open one?
I don't have scissors.
That one was partially open already, so it was pretty easy. Yes! I got Brer Fox! I got the fox. Now I got Fox and Rabbit. That is so awesome. You got a face. All right. Oh, Constance!
Oh, you're gonna love this one. Trust me, you're gonna love it.
Haunted Mansion's one of my favorite rides. I'm gonna love it, huh?
Yeah. Nope.
You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going first.
That's how much you're gonna love it.
Oh, I think I know who this is by the shape. Tigger!
Got a set!
Yay! So my nickname when I was little used to be Tigger, because when I spoke to people, if I was standing right in front of them, I bounce. So I used to collect Tigger stuff. Wish I would have kept a hold of some of it.
Was that the last one?
That was my last one. I got Brer Rabbit!
Told you were gonna love it.
So I got 2 sets. I'm so happy. That was good. Okay.
Yay! These are ones that don't come in bags.
They don't? Okay. So I'll hold it for you.
Yeah.
Or I'll hold it up for both of us. How about that? So this is the handbags. I've been trying to find these and you can't really find them anywhere unless they're really expensive.
How much were they?
These ones at the parks were your typical $30 a bag. But online I was finding them for like 50 or 60. So you've got Mary Poppins. Ooh, that's a nice one. I like Mary Poppins. You got Minnie Mouse. You got the 3 godmothers from Sleeping Beauty. So Merryweather, Flora, and Fauna. Alice in Wonderland with the Cheshire Cat's tail. And the Queen of Hearts roses across there. That's a pretty design too. Tinkerbell. Aurora with her pink dress. Sorry guys, her dress is blue. You can argue with me. Her dress is blue for most of the movie. Her dress is blue. Blue. Anna, Elsa. Rapunzel. Cinderella. Maleficent. Ursula. Little Mermaid. Jasmine. Snow White. And Belle. So those are pretty. I actually really like the fairies and the Mary Poppins. Maleficent is cool too.
Yeah. Ursula is cool.
You like Ursula?
Yeah.
All right.
The only two villains.
There, yeah. There's not a lot of villains in this one.
I cut down.
You always cut down. You cut down on the other one too.
I did.
Mm-hmm.
The mini one.
Minnie Mouse. It's cute. It looks like her little skirt. Want to show it?
Yeah, I saw
It's
the
got her
like
ears.
I saw the like ears and all. I was like, oh.
Please don't fall out of the chair.
Don't fall
Here.
on the chair.
Here. There you go. My turn?
Yep.
Oh,
You saw two, didn't you?
I got two attached to each other. I'm not going to tell you what it was, though. There we go. Got the Little Mermaid, Ariel. Got her purple shell, some seaweed as the handle, and then her scales. There are two seahorses that make up the bow. Really cute. That's the other one that I saw.
Belle!
Got Belle, and it's got the rose in there. It's her yellow dress. My turn.
Aurora!
Oh, and her pink dress.
The last one.
Last one. What'd you get?
I got Anna.
Anna. Top part of her dress.
Yeah.
Coronation dress.
That's the top. That's the one.
And they got the Mickey waffling on the back. Pin trading. 2018. That is all of our pins. She's over here flossing. She's happy. All right.
Hey, there's one more in here.
That's the one I already got.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you next time, hopefully for our next Bippity Box unboxing. Have a good day.